Hello and welcome to another video from TradeForexParttime.com. Today we're going to do a brief introduction to the MetaTrader 4, the MT4 trading platform. So if you're new to Forex and you've just opened a demo account, when you first open your software package, MT4, what you'll see on your screen is exactly what we have here. It's just a simple green bar chart of price action. And once you've got this open, if you're new to this software, you might be kind of puzzled as to where to go next. So that's the purpose of this video. So the first thing that we'd recommend you to do is go up to the top left-hand corner of the screen, go to View, and then go to Market Watch. And that'll pull up a list for you of all the commonly traded pairs. And then with all these separate icons, you can view the price action for all of these specific pairs, but most likely you're going to need just a bit more information than just the price action. So you're going to want to load a template which will show your price action and then a couple of different indicators. You can make your own template, or you can download one from the internet, and we have one here at Trade Forex Part-Time. And to load a template for a specific currency pair, you're going to go to the template icon at the top here in the middle of the ribbon. Just click on that and then go to Load Template, and then you'll find your template file, whether it's ours or another template that you've downloaded, and just click on Open. And you can see that drastically changes your screen. You've got now price action at the top and candlesticks. And then we have 4 different indicators underneath that. You've got stochastics, a directional indicator underneath that, and then the MACD, and then momentum underneath that finally. So once you've got this open, and if you're new to Forex, you'll see all these lines and be quite intimidated, but rest assured, once you've had a little bit of experience, you'll get much more comfortable reading and appreciating all this data all at once. So now that you have this open, we are just going to cover a couple of the tools across the top in the remaining part of this video. And just as a side note, we've applied this template to the US dollar Swiss franc. If you open up a different pair, you'll have to load the template for that specific pair as well, but it's the same process and it's quite straightforward. So looking at these buttons across the top, on the left hand side of this section of the ribbon, you have different chart types that you can access. You can go to a bar chart or candlesticks, which we are using currently right now, or you can also get to a line chart. And then to the right of that, you have these 2 magnifying glasses, which are pretty self-explanatory, just to zoom in and out on the chart. These 2 buttons here to the right of the magnifying glasses, the left of them with the green triangle pointing to the right is auto scroll, which is just going to automatically move all of your data to the left as new data is added. And then this button to the right of that with the arrow pointing to the left, the red arrow pointing to the left, is the chart shift button. And you'll see when I click that, it just pushes your data over to the left a little bit, so that you might be able to get a little better perspective on where things are going, because you're able to have a little space to the right and you can kind of look at things in a little better perspective. To the right of those 2 buttons, you have the indicator tool. If you click on that, you can see that MT4 has a wide range of indicators for you to add, for you to use. Also, it should be noted that you can download many indicators in addition to these online, which may come in handy. To the right of the indicator button, there is this clock, and that's just the period tool, and you can switch between all the different periods that the software offers to look at shorter term trends or longer term trends. You can also access periods all the way to the right here with this ribbon. As you can see, it kind of cuts you off at the 4-hour mark. So if you need to access longer duration periods, you can just go back to the clock and find those right there. Finally, to the right here, there's a couple of drawing tools. You can draw in on your chart vertical lines, horizontal lines, and also angled trend lines. So if you see potential support and resistance levels forming, you can draw those right in onto your chart so that you, first of all, obviously don't forget about them, but also for easy recognition. And then lastly, the one of the most important buttons, this button right here, the new order button, will enable you to place orders on the current pair that you're looking at. So if you click on that, it'll open up another dialog box that will enable you to place buy orders, sell orders, and then also all the different types of pending orders. And we have a video specifically dedicated to all the different order types with limit orders and stop orders and that topic. So if you're interested in learning more about all the order types and order placement, please check out that video. So that concludes our introduction to the MT4 trading platform. Please look forward to future videos and also review the videos that we already have in our library.